here's the box. Here's the opening box device. Oh, and this is not easy with one hand. Have I got this side open yet? Yeah. Okay, you're seeing what I'm seeing because I'm seeing what I'm seeing. A lot of paper in that box. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Playing card style. Ta-da! Let's take this one. Let's go over here and open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Sound good? Okay. Dang, how did I get these things in there? Ta-da! See? Right there. Purple. That way. Check it out. And there it is. Now somewhere on there are little bitty, teeny tiny, supposed to be purple. Where the heck are the LEDs? Oh, there they are. See? Right there, right there, right there, and right there. Now we've got 8 of these guys. That's the 3 pins. Yeah, you can kind of see. And that's the connector. Molex 4-pin connector. Huh. It's both male and female. Interesting. Later.